Hey everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did these oil spill nails with gold accents using nail foils. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button and leave a comment down below, and let's just get straight into this video. So I already have all the nails shaped and buffed, and now I'm going to go in with the Beetles base gel polish and do a thin layer of that on each nail and cure all of them for 30 seconds. Now for the color for the nails, I'm going to go in with the Beetles gel polish in shade 339. It's kind of like a deep magenta color, and this is a jelly polish, I believe. So I did do 2 layers on each nail, but since it is a jelly polish, it's not supposed to be completely opaque. So how I did the oil spill look, I just used this nail foil from Beetles gel polish, and it just came in this kit with a bunch of different ones. I think they're really pretty. And for the nail foil glue, I'm just going to use this one from Burano. And I'm just going to take that nail foil glue and just start painting on my designs. And you can use a matte top coat underneath so you can see what you're painting on, but I decided not to for some of the nails. And to do the nail foil, you want the design facing up, and so you're just going to get that and you're going to place it on the nail and rub it in wherever you put that nail foil glue, and it should stick on. For the pinky nail, I decided to just do the full nail with that nail foil. And for the nail foil glue, you want to make sure that you cure it for 60 seconds. So I'm just going to do the same process. I'm just going to take the nail foil and place it on the nail really flat, rub it in, and then remove the nail foil. For the thumb, I decided to just do half of the nail with the nail foil. Usually I cut down the length of the nail foil so that it makes it easier and it doesn't get in the way, but I didn't have any scissors, so I just went ahead and did it like this. And if you miss any spots, you can just go and apply the nail foil again, and the nail foil glue should make it stick on. And now I'm going to be doing a French tip design, and to do that I'm going to go in with some matte top coat first so I can see where I'm drawing on the nail foil glue. And I'm going to be curing those for 30 seconds. just going to be taking that nail foil glue and I'm just going to be making a rough outline of the French tip. And now I'm going to be going in with my nail detailing brush and I'm just going to sharpen that French tip edge. And now we're going to be sticking the nail foil right on that French tip design that we did with the nail foil glue. I'm just going to repeat that process for the other nail. For the gold accents, I'm going to be taking this gold nail foil that I got in a polygel kit a long time ago, and I'm just going to be putting that on the nail where the French tip meets the nail. I'm just going to be taking that same detailing brush and I'm just going to be painting lines where the foil meets the nail color. And that gold foil should only be sticking to where I just applied that nail foil glue, so I'm just going to press that in and do that for all the nails. And as always, everything I'm using in this video will be linked down below. And I'm just going to be putting top coat on all the nails with the Beetles gel polish top coat. And these are the finished nails. I did post pictures of these on my Instagram that will be linked down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.